Hey there everyone, hope you guys were having a very great day. But this problem arrived: unidentified network, no internet access. In this video, I will show you how to solve this problem in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do, you need to go to your start button and right click on it. Then you will see network connection. Just tap on that. All right, this will go to your network option, and from here you need to select this option, advanced network settings. Then you need to click on this drop down menu, and this will open up more adapter option. So you need to tap on the edit. Now what you need to do, you need to select this option, protocol version 4. You need to tap on it, select it, and you need to select the properties option from here. And now what you need to do, you need to select this above option called obtain an IP address automatically. All right, you need to select this option and also select this option from here, obtain DNS server address automatically. Then simply just tap on OK and then close it. So it will take some time. Let's see. Voila, you have done it. So this problem is as easily solved. So if you guys are interested to make your taskbar transparent like my video, click on this video on the screen and you will get it.